To give you a quick overview of the 2020 Summit, we have dozens of experts coming from all over the world to cover data and analytics topics including data management, leadership, strategy, data literacy, data science, machine learning, and BI and analytics, to name just a few. Our content has varied from traditional lectures to workshops to one-on-ones with the experts. Even though we cover so many different topics and you'll want to talk to a lot of different people, the theme that is tying all of the content for this year's summit together is the idea of augmenting with AI. How can you use AI and ML techniques to make every part of data and analytics more efficient, more productive, faster, and more impactful?
Many of our clients, when we're having conversations with them, ask us, why should I come to a data and analytics summit? The answer is simple. If you've never been to a data and analytics summit, then the amount of information that Gartner makes available to you in the specific area that you are involved in is really strong. We have some presentations that talk in general, but we have many presentations that drill down in the things that you're doing every day and gets very deep and in fact technical in some areas. So you have choices of looking at the overall strategies, the overall vision, drilling down to the specific area that you may be involved in, and even getting technical into artificial intelligence, machine learning, analytics, data management, and all aspects of data and analytics. We get many questions about what a strategy for data and analytics should cover. The most important part is the business value of data and analytics throughout the organization. It must cover governance. It is not about products. It is about how to do what you want to do and how to use the analytics that are created from the data. So once again, the most important thing is the business value. A topic that has become very important in analytics today is how do we talk about analytics? How do we build a business case for analytics? We don't do reports on paper anymore, and even reports on screens are becoming boring, are becoming old. What we really want to know is how do we get a story to our clients inside the corporation and outside the corporation. That's where storytelling comes in. It is a very important concept where instead of just presenting metrics and saying these are important, we tell a story around the metrics, we develop a story around the metrics that allows the normal average person who may not have the expertise in data or analytics to understand the value of those metrics and what they mean to our company.
Data and analytics in the cloud continues to gain momentum, and the migration of large organizations and small organizations continues to grow. In my space, the data science space, in just 4 years, we've seen just going from 30% of companies being in pure cloud environments for data science to now it's almost 50%, and that number continues to grow. Cloud brings a lot of challenges. Maybe you aren't just in one cloud. Maybe you need to work across multiple clouds. Maybe you need to have a hybrid cloud environment where some of your data is on-prem, some is in the cloud, and the compute is done in different places. There's a lot of exciting opportunities and cost savings and performance opportunities around the cloud, but a lot of challenges as well that we want to help you with.
If there is one thing in our industry that is as important, profound, and pervasive today as the internet was many years ago, that is cloud. It is changing the way we do everything. It has become the platform for infrastructure, for applications, and for data and analytics. It is across everything you do and it will become more and more important every year. We have many, many presentations within the Gartner Data and Analytics Summits that talk about cloud. They may not be called cloud, they may not be just on cloud, but even when we're talking about machine learning and artificial intelligence, we're talking about the availability of it and the use of it in the cloud. In data management, we get many, many questions from our clients about how or if the main hyperscaler cloud providers are going to take over the world, and how the software-only providers are going to be able to compete with them. That's where multi-cloud comes in. Most of the hyperscalers run on their cloud service, whereas the software vendors are running on multi-cloud, giving you a choice of platform instead of having you on one single platform. And in fact, if you decide to use something like a software vendor across a multi-cloud, whatever cloud you pick to run that on can be integrated with the other services from that cloud vendor, giving you more choice and more flexibility.